Hi, it's Joe Andrews for Josh Moses Kitchen. Today in my kitchen, I am preparing a beautiful vegetarian dish called Aviyal. The normal Aviyal is there in my channel, but this is not normal. This is a Trivandrum style. In our place, we use yogurt, but in Trivandrum, they use tamarind. So don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 4 guests. Onto a pot, 1 piece of plantain cut into batonite, 1 piece of potatoes, 2 pieces of carrot, all will be the same cut, 150 grams of jackfruit seed, 1 piece of drumsticks, 3 pieces of sliced green chilies. You can use whatever vegetable you have, yam, brinjal, ashcot, 1/4 cup of tamarind pulp, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half cup of water, few curry leaves, few cashew nuts. Combine well. Now you turn on the heat. Cover it and let the vegetable cook. In between, don't miss out to give a stir. When the vegetable is 80% cooked, add 2 pieces of green tomatoes to wedges. Combine well. Cover it, let it cook. By the time we will make the coconut mix, 1 cup of grated coconut, 4 pieces of green chilies, few curry leaves, half teaspoon of cumin, 6 pieces of sliced shallots. Roughly grind it like this. Make a well at the center of the vegetable. Place the coconut mix at the center. Cover with vegetable. Cook on a low heat. When the coconut is cooked, combine well. I like the vegetable should be a little bit crunchy. Check the salt if needed. Add just enough. Combine well. Turn off the heat. Add few curry leaves on the top. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This is the best flavor you can get. Cover it and enjoy after 30 minutes. It have a different flavor actually. Not like when we adding the curd, it's a very different flavor. But when we adding the tamarind, it's a very different flavor. The tomatoes are so good. Curry leaves, the jackfruit seed, really enhancing. Cashew nut, really good. So it's a beautiful Aviyal. Make sure you try it and show your support by subscribing my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. Okay, bye. Not only this Trivandrum-style Avial, the normal Aviyal from my place is there already in my channel, and if you have a little bit of leftover, you can turn that one into a beautiful seafood Aviyal also. The recipe is there in my channel. video, have you ever tried? What about this one? Or what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.